Huh? What are you trying to tell me? What are you trying to tell me? What? What? What's going on? Oh. You like your swing? Yes. What else? What else do you like? Play with your truck? You do? What else? Your bear outfit? What else? Oh. Oh. I know it's cold outside today. Are you wearing a long sleeve outfit? Oh. I'm sorry. Did I not say it right? Your bear outfit. Yeah. What? What else? Yes. Yes. How wonderful. How wonderful. Yeah. Oh. How old are you, Jack? 2 months today? I can't believe it. You're getting so old. No, you don't think so? You think you're ready to go? You're 2 months old today? Yes, you are. Yeah. We're going to send this video to Daddy and all your relatives. So say bye. Say bye. Do you want to say something to him, Jack? Say bye. Say bye. Come on. Come on. Come on. Say bye. He's trying. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye, everyone. Can you say that? Yeah, you're waving. There you go. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. There we go.